Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Suttik hair trimmer is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for achieving a perfect hairstyle at home. Whether you're looking for a clean shave, precise edging, or an even trim, a good hair trimmer can make all the difference, and in this video, we will explore what makes the Suttik hair trimmer stand out from the competition and if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Suttik Hair Trimmer. This professional hair clipper is a versatile tool for all your grooming needs. It easily trims hair, beards, and body hair, all while being gentle on your skin. The self-sharpening stainless steel blade ensures a smooth, quick, and precise cut every time. It won't pull or snag, making it perfect for all hair types. With its smart LED display, you'll always know how much battery life is left. A full charge provides 180 minutes of cordless use and is compatible with various USB power sources. The powerful yet quiet motor ensures efficient trimming, even through thick hair, without disturbing others. Enjoy a smooth, low-noise grooming experience. Its lightweight, ergonomic design with a comfortable grip makes it easy to use. The stylish design is perfect for at-home use. What we like. This trimmer is a versatile tool for all your grooming needs, from head to toe. Its sharp blade ensures a smooth, precise cut every time. If you value precision and versatility in one device, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This clipper set is suitable for both professional barbers and home users, offering precision and convenience. Heavy well-made looks great and does the job. The metal casing feels like surprisingly good quality. It cuts facial hair close enough where I don't bother shaving with blades anymore, so no more accidental facial cuts, ingrown hairs, or razor burn. It allows me to easily and quickly edge out my beard and clean up my neck and collar line. There is no cord to get in the way, which makes it possible to stand in a dry shower and let the clippings collect where they are easy to clean up. It allows me to easily reach back hair. The attachments are handy for safely trimming sensitive areas. Number 4. Suttik Professional Clippers. This kit has everything you need for a professional haircut at home. It includes clippers, trimmers, and all the necessary accessories. It features a powerful rotary motor and sharp blades for a smooth, snag-free cut every time. Enjoy precise and efficient trimming. Never worry about running out of power. The digital display shows the battery level, charging status, and even reminds you to lubricate it. With a long-lasting battery, it provides up to 240 minutes of cordless use on a single charge for the clipper and 120 minutes for the trimmer. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and is comfortable to hold, making grooming easy and efficient. The kit comes with multiple guide combs for various lengths, a barber cape, cleaning brush, charging cables, a comb, and a protective cover for convenient storage and maintenance. What we like. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for a professional quality haircut at home. The powerful motor ensures efficient trimming, even on thick hair. If you're looking for a complete and convenient grooming solution, this is it. Number 3. Suttik Professional Hair Clipper Set. It includes a full-size hair clipper, a detail trimmer, and essential accessories. Everything you need for a perfect haircut at home or on the go. This set features self-sharpening blades that glide through all hair types. Experience a smooth, even cut every time. Enjoy up to 150 minutes of cordless use on a single charge for the clipper and 180 minutes for the trimmer. The LCD display keeps you informed. The included trimmer has a precision T-blade perfect for those fine details like necklines and beards. Achieve a clean, precise look. The high-quality EVA case keeps everything organized and protected. It's lightweight and compact for easy travel. We're confident you'll love this set. If you have any problems within 30 days, we offer a replacement or refund. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides everything for a perfect cut, neatly stored in a convenient case. The smooth cutting blades make for an effortless grooming experience. If you appreciate convenience and organization, this kit is for you. What people say. The Suttik Hair Clippers and Trimmers set is a versatile grooming kit designed for both professional and home use. They have plenty of attachments for a good haircut. They're low in noise and have a long-lasting charge. It came with all the guides and their color code for ease of using to not get them mixed up, and I like the fact that it was the complete package. You can do everything from edge to shape to get the extra fine stubble. Number 2. Suttik Hair Clipper Set. This versatile set includes a hair clipper, detail trimmer, and nose beard trimmer, perfect for all your grooming needs at home or in the salon. It's a complete solution for all your hair cutting and body grooming needs. The LCD screen keeps you informed. It shows the battery life, charging status, and even reminds you when it needs lubrication. Never worry about running out of power mid-groom. These clippers feature precision high-carbon steel blades for a smooth, snag-free cut. It's designed to trim hair and beard without pulling, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience. Enjoy cordless convenience with long battery life. The main clipper provides up to 180 minutes of use on a 3-hour charge, the detail trimmer up to 120 minutes on a 1-hour charge, and the nose trimmer up to 90 minutes on a 1.5-hour charge. It boasts a powerful 6,500 RPM motor for efficient trimming, yet it operates quietly at only 58 dB. It's gentle enough for children, making it suitable for the whole family. What we like. This set offers 3 tools in one convenient package for all your hair and beard trimming needs. The LCD screen keeps you informed about battery life. If you need a versatile and efficient grooming solution, this is a great option. What people say. It is aesthetically pleasing, and works well. Great power when using, and it's not crazy loud like other clippers can be. Easy to clean and has its own storage. Been using the clippers and trimmers for several months and work and hold charge better than I was expecting compared to some of the other reviews I saw. The set I received I have had no issues with as far as holding charge and seem to last long time for every other day use. Purchased this for my fiancé for an anniversary gift. He was amazed about the detailing of this hair trimmer set. He's used it multiple times. The battery lasts long. It's cordless, so that makes it so much easier to use. It comes with different sizes the cords and also a cape to put on the clients. Number 1. Suttik Professional Grooming Kit. Get ready to experience the ultimate in grooming precision. This kit has everything you need for a perfect look, from head to toe. It's designed for an incredibly smooth, close shave. Use the trimmer first to shorten longer hairs, then the shaver for a clean finish. The powerful motor effortlessly cuts through even the thickest hair. Adjust the taper lever for the perfect cutting length, from 1 mm to 3 mm. Enjoy 90 minutes of cordless use after a quick 1.5-hour charge. The LED display keeps you informed of the battery level and settings. This kit includes everything you need: multiple combs for precise length control, a cleaning brush, and a charging adapter. It's the complete package for professional results. It's been tested and trusted by barbers and men worldwide. Achieve salon quality results in the comfort of your own home. What we like. This kit provides an ultra-close shave and trim, thanks to its powerful motor and sharp blades. The LED display keeps you informed of the battery level. If you desire a clean, close shave and appreciate modern technology, this is for you. What people say. Fue un regalo excelente compra. I love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.